Newton's Attic is a science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM education nonprofit using unique hands-on learning. Okay, go ahead and drive it in.
So we have done a total of 7 sessions here.
We introduced them to the concept of drones. Once we've got them familiar with how a drone works, we then start talking about how we can program those moves rather than fly them with our hands.
It takes a lot of time, and you have to be patient with the drone, and you have to use a lot of coding to get it to work.
We're not flying it at all right now. It's running this entire program off the computer, so it's doing everything that they programmed in. And so on the last day, we have a challenge course set up that has various elements.
It was a natural disaster rescue mission. There had been a natural disaster that occurred, so we have a fake town.
And we're assuming that the people were evacuated, but in such a manner that their pets had to stay behind.
Then they had to drive their rover in, release their drone, and then fly around and take images.
So that we could tell the future rescuers exactly where to go and they didn't have to climb through some of the dangerous rubble.
It was fun. We got to do different things that some of us never got to do before.
Currently, we do not have these types of opportunities in our building, so we are going out and looking for these.
I think overall they did very well. I think in our group of 27 or so girls, we definitely have some who, if they want to, have an aptitude for engineering type work.
I'm really glad that they let us do this. It was really nice having experiences, and it was fun flying drones around and getting stuff, like learning stuff I never knew before.
The owners of Newton's Attic were both educators, and they have come and brought this experience for students and created a much broader scale that sometimes the confines of a school and classroom can't provide. So it's amazing work that they're doing, and we're very much appreciative of it.